Hi, I'm Becca from Assay Genie. Today I'm going to talk to you about our competitive ELISA protocol. In a competitive ELISA, the analyte in the sample competes with the immobilized analyte on the plate for the capture antibody. An increased amount of analyte in the sample results in a decrease in signal. Our ELISA kits come with extensive validation data to support your experiments. Sample preparation plays a significant role in successfully performing ELISA tests. It should gently collect target proteins of interest. Full sample preparation guidelines can be found in the technical manual. The protocol is as follows. Wash the plate twice before adding the standard and sample wells. Add 50 microliters of standards and samples into each well. Immediately add 50 microliters of biotin labeled antibody or antigen into each well. Incubate for 45 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Aspirate and wash the plate 3 times. After washing, add 100 microliters of SAP working solution into each well. Then incubate for 30 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Aspirate and wash the plate 5 times. Then add 90 microliters of TMB substrate solution. Incubate for 10 to 20 minutes at 37 degrees Celsius. Finally, add 50 microliters of stop solution. Read at 450 nanometers and calculate. Here is a table comparing the sandwich and competitive technologies. Check out our ELISA principles, protocols, methods, and kits at the link below.